Akala mo drawing-drawing lang kami? Sorry, pero real talk. Kami ang unang business consultant mo. Maraming property owners ang nagkakamali sa simula pa lang. Ang mindset nila, basta may building, okay na. Pero hindi nila alam, sayang ang milyon kung walang plano ang negosyo sa likod nito. Kami mga architect, hindi lang basta nagde-design ng building. Tinitingnan namin kung paano kikita ang property mo. Anong type ng renters ang babagay sa area mo, paano magmumukhang high value ang space kahit maliit ang lote. Ano ang design na pwedeng magtaas ng rental rate at bawas ng operational cost. Every time we draw is based on strategy. Kung gusto mong ang building mo ay hindi lang maganda sa mata, pero kumikita rin ng tama, then you need an architect who thinks like a business consultant. So kung gusto mong ma-assess ang property mo with a business mindset, consult with an architect who is also a business owner. Someone who knows how to run a business and assess your property with income in mind. Book a consultation with Dream Archon today. Design with heart, build with purpose. Architect na, business owner pa. Alam ang negosyo mo at kaya naming itong i-design ng tama. Akala mo drawing-drawing lang ang architect? Kami ang unang business consultant mo.